It is pretty dark in here, so this might not turn out that well, but this is one of the original Harley Davidson motorcycles. One of the first ones to roll off the line. 1903. Look at the white tires on this thing. This is pretty wild. Look at that big old belt that they ran around there. Single longer, one cylinder, big old leather belt, chain, tripod stand. Pedal on the bike to kick it over, probably start it over also. Very nice. Hope this turns out. White tires, back in the day. Original Harley. And here we are 110 years later. $1936 EL, known as the Knucklehead, cream and blue, 74 Ken Vangeon. Didn't think this bike was going to work. Harley told customers or dealers not to really hype the bike up because they didn't think it would fly. Turned out they were wrong. As soon as this bike came out, these things were rolling off the floor. People just embraced them, fell in love with them, and the rest is history. Very nice though. And then back then when they were painting bikes, a lot of stuff was hand painted, like the tank designs, pinstriping. They had very talented and painters back then, and also most of the people that worked at the shop were very high skilled and very creative in their natures. 1936 Knuckle. Very nice. What you're looking at here is a 1942 Model U with sidecar side valve V-twin used by the Navy all over Europe and in the Pacific probably, against the Japanese, in Europe against the Germans, World War II. Steel gray. Show up patrol on the windshield. Got it from Thailand right there.
Over 40,000 motorized vehicles and 500,000 men. Motorcycles and
gun racks.
cars. The advance guard in lightning war.
1942 Army XS. Inside car.
A new motorcycle with a drive shaft instead of the conventional chain to transmit engine power to the rear wheel. Of course, it drives like any other motorcycle.
What our troops used to fight the Germans.
Signal flares off the coast of Africa. The first skirmish between United States and German tanks proved the superiority of American equipment over the Nazis.
Says right on here, U.S. Army 45 World War II. Fully automatic machine gun in there. 42 WLA side valve V-twin. Flathead, specially made, designed just during the war for the military.
Movie stars to sales clerks, America's 130 million citizens are in the war.
Leather saddlebags.
Germany was beaten as Americans and Russians joined hands in
Ammo box right up on the front. And then there's the chair with them on the bike.